Hello, everyone. I'm Barry Pelletieri, the Chief Strategy Officer for Cura Solutions. And by way of some additional background, I am the former Chief Information Officer for the New Jersey Turnpike Authority. Thank you very much for taking time to visit Cura's website, and most importantly, to play this video and give us an opportunity to show you more about Cura's journey from building image review solutions to creating a new image review as a service offer for the tolling industry. For those of you that don't know us, here's a few basics about Cura. Number one, we serve government and only government. We have 25 state clients throughout the state of Florida. We've been serving government for 21 years, and as you can see, we have over 200 associates. We are extremely proud of the 14% plus average annual growth rate, because that growth rate is a testament to the quality and consistency of the work we perform. We have 4 locations throughout the state of Florida. Our innovation center is located in Silicon Valley in California, and we are just opening a new center for data science. Some things that you may not know about us: we are a GSA contract holder for Florida State Term, a gold partner for Microsoft, and a consulting partner for Salesforce. But what's most important is that we know the business of tolling. Our teams have worked inside various tolling agencies in almost all functions at almost all levels, including electronic toll collection, technology, traffic operations, auditing and security, and others that you see listed here. We are extremely proud to have partnered with the Tampa-Hillsborough Expressway Authority to create a manual image review application that was cited by IBTTA for a Toll Excellence Award. So what's happening in the industry, and what are we hearing, and why did we pursue image review as a service? Image review is now in the tolling industry spotlight. As you know, cashless toll roadways are everywhere, either conversions of existing roadways or new construction. In addition, unfortunately, with the COVID-19 pandemic, toll collector safety has become paramount, and accelerating this change as cash collection at various agencies is removed. So what's important? The recovery of non-transponder, non-account revenue becomes critical. And the 80-20 rule comes into play, where 80% penetration is the rule that most agencies see, and roughly 20% remains in cash, maybe a little higher, a little lower, depending on agency. In spite of significant campaigns, discount programs, multi-tier tolling pricing, that 20% number is very, very difficult to move. And when a roadway becomes cashless, that particular number becomes difficult to collect. And why is that important? Well, in bond ratings, especially when you meet with firms like S&P and Fitch and Moody's, and you're looking to float bonds to fund your capital program, that cost of capital is critical. And the rating agencies, as you know very well, they focus on the traffic prediction and forecasts, good state of repair, and also on revenue realization, which includes low or holding the line on bad debt. It's the difference between low single-digit bad debt versus middle or high double-digit in the teens. So what do you need to accomplish this? You need world-class image review, and you need world-class collections. So what is Cura Solutions hearing about world-class image review? Well, we're hearing from the industry, and the tolling industry is telling us about a preference for best-of-breed solutions. We're seeing that in RFPs with carve-outs specifically for image review. We're seeing that in direct inquiries that we have received in terms of specialization in image review and service excellence in operations. And we've gotten a lot of general inquiries as well on this topic. So what is our response? Well, Cura's response has been to develop an image review as a service offer for the tolling industry. How did we do that? We took two of our proven solutions, one being CARS, our automated license plate recognition system, and Mira, our manual image replacement application. We put those together, wrappered them, and introduced additional auditing tools and some new technology to create what we call Viper. Viper is the only complete image review as a service solution in North America. If you focus on the top of this chart, you'll see we offer 70% automation and over 99.95% accuracy. The most important part of that statement is that in those numbers, we do not exclude any plates or any plate types. All plates, all plate types are included in those performance figures. Viper sits in the middle between your lane provider and your back office provider. Our job is to partner with both to ensure seamless realization, capture and realization of revenue. So what does this image review as a service called Viper look like? Well, in a short video, I can't go through every one of these, but I will highlight a few of the main items. Under features, let's take a look at the bottom on always on auditing with full client visibility. This is one of those additional features I talked about that we've added in. We audit about 20% of our volume all the time to ensure performance levels. But the key is we give our clients the same auditing tool and give them transparency into everything that we're doing. Because after all, this is all about accountability and full transparency. Clients can audit all of the workflow every day. They can also audit the results of our audit. On the technology side, we've introduced machine learning and some very sophisticated algorithms under the artificial intelligence banner. You can see what happens with on-demand scalable infrastructure. This can be cloud-based or on-prem. And one of the big features in technology is that we use the results from our manual image review operation to drive changes and improvement in our automation. It's the only way that we can meet our commitment for continuous improvement. There's lots of benefits, and folks will always talk heavily about the benefit column, but I'm going to go to the bottom, and I'm going to focus in on evidence-based procurement. It may be a term that you're not familiar with. What it means very simply is we ask you for your images, we will run them through our system using your business rules, and we will prove to you what we can do. You can take that proof and be sure, absolutely sure, of the performance levels you can expect as you begin the procurement process. One more item is our performance management scorecard. And I'd like to talk about that one in a little more detail. It's extremely important. Since we are running a service and not just implementing technology, you know, on big technology projects, you implement software, you're responsible for maintenance and break fix. In this particular case, with image review as a service, we are responsible for the results of the entire service every hour of every day. And we use this performance management scorecard to ensure that those results meet the performance levels that we promise to all of our clients, and also that we can continue to improve those levels. So this is a toolkit. All types of things are in here. You see the real-time dashboards, the alerts, offering complete transparency. Remember, we use this toolkit to manage our operation. The same toolkit is given to our clients so that they can also oversee and manage what we do. Nothing to hide, everything completely transparent. It's very specialized for image review, trying to meet the demand from the industry. One last item here is the financial performance return on investment calculator. Typically, ROI is calculated at the beginning of every project. We can do the same thing here, but this ROI is meant to be calculated throughout the life of the service operation. It could be week in, week out, it could be month in, month out. One more benefit that is hidden sometimes when you purchase something as a service, and these are enterprise-wide benefits that are above and beyond the image review application or image review service. We enhance the security profile for each of our clients. That means that your enterprise risk management profile is improved. It can even positively impact premiums for cyber insurance when you meet with the underwriters and answer their questions. There's very little disruption, if any, during implementation. Lots of flexibility, which is a big item in the tolling industry right now when business rules change. You know we can scale. We can clearly simplify operations and technology architecture. The big one is a single point of accountability. This gives you the trust that you can transfer the risk to Kira Solutions to manage all of your image review. And finally, additional bandwidth for other internal business imperatives and that measurable return on investment that is not a one-time return. So, with all that said, I hope that I provided you with some valuable information regarding the importance of image review for the tolling industry and Kira Solutions' journey to create Viper, their image review as a service solution. If you would like to learn more about Viper, contact information is available on our website. I truly appreciate the opportunity to speak with you today. Please stay healthy and be safe. Thank you.